Hello, you want to wave at him? Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Alexis Sanderson. She is 9 years old. And she has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. And she's adorably cute. And she can sit independently. You might want to spot her for sitting, but she'll get down from chairs by herself. She walks with 2 hands held. She walks in a walker but needs help for steering. So one of the things we're working on is being able to sit to stand. Alexis, are you ready to get the dinosaur now? We started off working on this skill with something reasonably high. You got the dinosaur? Give a minute. Give me the dinosaur. I cannot believe you got that dinosaur. I'm going to put him right here. Rah, 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 rah. Go get him. Go get him. At first, the bench had to be, what she was on had to be reasonably high. Did you get my dinosaur again? So that she didn't have to stand up very far. And then we worked towards something that she was sitting so that she's got about a 90-degree angle. Her hips are, her thigh is level with the floor. What are you doing with the dinosaur? I'm going to take this dinosaur and put it up a little. Give me this dinosaur. No. Put it right up here. The gummy bear is right here. The dinosaur is there. He's going, rah, rah. Are you ready, Alexis? Because we're on slick floor, I did have to put Dysum underneath the legs of the chair to keep the chair from sliding. He's going, rah, 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 rah. Beautiful stand that time. That time just using the support of her legs on the back of the chair. Beautiful job, Alexis. That dinosaur is going to go, he's going to eat you up. He's going to go like this. Yum, 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 yum. Last time, Alexis. Right here he is. Go get him. So you see she's doing a little bit of leaning back as she comes up, but she was still able to do it successfully. You got my dinosaur, kid. So it's a fun activity to work on sit-to-stands. We're using these grips to give her just a little bit more to hold on to. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Oh, gosh! Thanks a lot. Alexis, you want to tell? We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.